you the perfect summer drink, Mexican watermelon water. It's really refreshing and great for poolside. Before making this, I froze 3 cups of watermelon, which is about the amount of half a small watermelon diced up. So we take our 3 cups of frozen watermelon and we throw this into a blender. 2 cups of water. A few mint leaves. And the juice of 2 limes. And now we're going to blend it all together. And there you have it, Mexican watermelon water. It's everything you look for in a summer cocktail. It's refreshing and sweet. And feel free to add some tequila for the adults.